Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating both the Ps5 and Warzone so version mismatches don't block split play. Once done, sign into the primary account and power on the second controller. Add a guest or full account and activate it. Make sure the console display and HDR settings are stable. This prevents framing or brightness shifts when screens merge. You're creating the right environment first, because a clean, updated system reduces errors and lets you move. You now open Warzone and reach the main lobby. Don't enter a match yet. Next, press the PS button on the second controller and sign in as the guest or alternate account. Warzone detects the input and prompts for local joining. Once the second player accepts, invite them into your party or let them join locally. Confirm the split screen indicator on screen. This step pairs inputs to profiles so progression and loadouts remain distinct for each player. Finally, configure each player's loadouts and key bindings so you don't fight over controls. Make small HUD adjustments to prevent overlap. Run a private match or plunder to verify connection, frame rate, and that both players can drop into combat. If the second player fails to join, restart Warzone or reassign the controller first. Then check NAT type and network stability as the final step. This fixes most split-screen issues and gets you into full co-op play quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.